Hi everyone. So in this video, you will learn how to generate random code using a third-party API service. So let's create an index file first. Let's have the structure here, style sheet at the top, and a script file at the bottom. We need a button. So let's create one here. It will be generate. We also need a container to display the code and the author name. So let's make it container class and have a p element here. It will display the code. Also have author name here. Create an ID of author. Let's add some dummy text here. Same goes here. Now just save it and create a style sheet here. Select the button element. Display will be block. Margin will be 0 and auto. Padding will be 5 pixel and 20 pixel. Select the author. Font size will be around 18 pixels. Select the quote. Font size for this will be around 20 pixels. Select the container class. Width will be around 500 pixels. Minimum height will be around 160 pixels. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto. Padding will be 20 pixels. Border radius will be 20 pixels. Background color will be this. Font color will be white. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. And justify content will be space around. Done. Now just save it. Go to the browser. And this is the output. I think we should align this on the right hand side. Let's make it align self, flex end. Save it, go to browser. Great. So by looking over the layout, you already understood what is going to happen. When I will click on this generate button, I want to display some random code here. For that, I'm going to use this API service. If you just simply Google random codes free API, you will see this page. This is the very first result, and this is the API service which we are going to use. So there is a path, get random code. Let's click it here. So we need this part, and this is the host, right? We just need to combine it and the API will be ready. Let me copy and paste it. So this is the output that we will get. We will get the content, which is basically the code and the author name. We're also getting other information such as tags, added, modified, and all that. We don't need it. We just need the code and we need the author. So let's go to the code editor. Create a script file here. Script.js. Select the button element as well as the paragraph elements. So let's make it btn gen, and we'll select it by the tag. Let's make it quote element. Selected by the ID, which is quote. Just copy and paste it. It will be author. Same goes here. Now let's add a click event listener to the button. So upon click, we'll execute a certain piece of code. Let me write that code and I'll explain what is actually happening here. So it will be quote and the author. We'll call a method which will be a asynchronous method. The method will be get quote, This method will return an object which will contain a property of quote, and the author will simply destructure it like this. Also, we need to make it async, and there should be a click event listener. My bad, real bad actually. Okay, now we'll select the quote element and set its inner text equal to quote. Same goes in case of author element, but we need that dash sign in front of it, so we'll use template literal here and add it right in front of it. That's it. Now let me create this function here at the bottom. So it's obvious, we'll make use of fetch request here. So it will be await fetch. Let me copy and paste that URL here. We'll simply pass the JSON by calling this JSON method. Then we'll return the data. Since it returns an array, so it will go like this: quote data, the first element, and the content. Same goes in case of author. Now just save it, go to the browser, click generate. So it's working absolutely fine. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.